Want to know the secret to keeping a cleaner toilet? Get it to clean itself. The American Standard VorMax Toilet's patented flush technology sends twice as much jetted water to the rim, scrubbing the bowl clean from top to bottom. It's proven to be 2 times cleaner than other toilets. Everything about this toilet is built for clean. The superior CleanCurve Rim eliminates the tiny holes and edges found on regular toilets, so there's nowhere for dirt to run and hide. And VorMax features the remarkable EverClean Surface that helps it stay sparkling longer by inhibiting the growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew. Keeping your bowl spotless doesn't mean using more water. VorMax models use less water, which saves you money without sacrificing any performance. There are also options that infuse toilet bowl cleaner into the water with every flush, freshening the bowl and taking clean to the next level. VorMax comes in chair height, has an elongated bowl for extra comfort, and is available with a slow close lid so you can say goodbye to a noisy slamming seat. Installation is quick and easy. No tools are required. Everything you need is in the box. And best of all, it's backed by an industry-leading limited lifetime warranty by a brand that's been around for more than 140 years. Take your clean to the max with the American Standard VorMax Toilet.